Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check the service manual to confirm an MXM module or eGPU path and why it matters for connectors and cooling. Once confirmed, ground yourself with an anti-static strap and remove battery or power source to avoid shorts. Make sure you have the right Torx and Phillips drivers, fresh thermal paste, and a clean work surface. This prevents damage and ensures thermal contact. Finally, back up your system and note BIOS and GPU driver versions so you can restore settings later. You now remove the bottom cover and disconnect any cables blocking the GPU bay. Label each connector to avoid reassembly errors. Next, unscrew the heatsink mounting points in a cross pattern to relieve tension evenly, then gently lift the heatsink and separate heat pipes if needed so you can access the GPU module. Carefully unfasten the GPU from its slot, note latch positions, and lift it free. Once removed, clean mating surfaces with isopropyl alcohol and lint-free cloth. Because clean surfaces ensure optimal, you place the replacement GPU into the slot and align it precisely. Once seated, tighten its retaining screws and apply a thin, even layer of thermal paste to the GPU die before reattaching the heatsink to maintain cooling efficiency. Then reconnect fans and cables, reassemble the case, and boot to update BIOS or firmware if required. Make sure to install the latest GPU drivers for stability. Once done, run a short stress test and monitor temperatures. If you encounter errors or no post, power down, reseat the module, and verify power rails and cable seating as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.